Welcome to the Registration Report Overview video. Let's get started. The Registration Report contains headcount and credit hour current registration information, with comparisons to budget goals as well as year-to-date headcount and credit hour registrations for the prior year. The report also depicts final 10th day census data for the previous year registration term to assist with basic forecasting for the current term. This report represents current registration information and presents information in context of two comparisons. 1. UEC and board-approved budget goals for headcounts and credit hours, and 2. Previous year's year-to-date registered headcounts and credit hours. Here are some overview notes to help you as you jump in. Goals at either level follow different sets of logic and processes. For more information, consult the respective departments. Goal counts are set as duplicated, so graduate students can be counted in multiple budget groups in accordance with goals. Student program-related slicers are presented on non-dashboard pages. This allows the user to select headcounts or credit hours based on the schools, departments, and/or programs students are in. Course selection slicers are also available that allow the user to look at headcount or credit hour enrollment by school department belonging to the course a student is registered in, regardless of the student's program. These slicers also allow the user to examine the intersection of producing the headcount and/or credit hours registered in courses that are offered by the same school or department as their program. For more information, look at the report description on the registration report page on InformSU. The first 4 pages of the registration report are dashboards that capture current year and prior year registration headcount for different populations. Each provide a different focus that can be further explored in other pages. This report dashboard captures current year and prior year registration headcounts for the full student population and undergraduate and graduate breakdowns. This dashboard goes one level deeper than the previous page in that it shows the undergraduate and graduate populations broken down by new and continuing students. The same headcount, goal, and proportion calculations are displayed for each population. This dashboard focuses on specific groups of undergraduate students. New students are broken out into first-time in college freshmen and transfer post-baccalaureate. The graduate strategic populations view shows the school and enrollment status breakdown of all graduate students. The current year registered headcount is compared to the current year goal in the current year percentage to headcount goal. The previous year, year-to-date, and the previous year final registered counts are also compared to the previous year's goal to give an indication of the registration trend from the current date to the date of the 10th day census. There are no slicers on either of these dashboard pages. This page allows users to select their desired term group, school, and budget program group for graduate students. Slicers on this page include term, school, and budget program group. The term button slicer at the top of the page is dynamic and will represent the current term and the upcoming term depending on the point in the quarter. The matrix shows the hierarchy of schools and budget program groups, which can be expanded or collapsed using the plus and minus icons on the left side of the visual. This page is a combination of the 4 dashboard views in a matrix format. The same population breakdown is displayed in the row hierarchy on the left side of the visual. There are a number of additional values including the prior year, year-to-date, and final headcounts, additional comparison calculations, and the prior year goal. There are no slicers that can be applied on this page. The summary goal data on this page is slightly different for graduate and undergraduate students. Graduate goals on this page are at the academic level and enrollment status grain, while undergraduate goals are broken down on a level deeper at the enrollment status detail grain. These pages allow for more interaction using slicers for the exploration of the data supporting the dashboards. This page allows users to see the full student population breakdown or home in on specific populations through slicers. This page displays the sum of registered credit hours rather than the distinct count of registered students. This report page displays the current year, previous year, year-to-date, and previous year final headcount and credit hour totals by offering department. Goal columns are not included as goals are not currently set at the department level. Slices on this page are grouped under the Open Student Selections and Open Course Selections panels. Click on either to open and apply slicers. Slices on either page apply across all 3 pages. The current and prior year dates are included above the matrix visual to make clear what date these data are as of, since the previous year year-to-date is relative to the start of the term. This is a reference page to show the hierarchy of schools, departments, program budget groups, academic program codes, and descriptions. Budget groups consist of individual programs or groups of programs for which goals are set. Since budget groups may contain more than one program, this page helps with identifying the budget group to which a program belongs. Slices on this page include school, department, budget program group, academic program code, and academic program. This page provides a glossary of both Power BI and report-specific terms, along with a listing of report release notes. We hope that this helps, and look at the report training page, manual, glossary, and infographic for more information. For any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through informsu@seattleU.edu. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview, and good luck!